Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Veloster tail light. First, gather all your tools like a screwdriver set and a new bulb or assembly. Make sure your car is parked safely on a flat surface. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. This preparation step is crucial for a successful repair. Next, open your Veloster's rear hatch to gain access to the interior trim panel. You'll need to find and remove any retaining screws or clips that hold the trim in place. Gently pull back the trim panel, being careful not to damage it. This step reveals the back of the tail light assembly, allowing you to proceed with the replacement. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the tail light assembly. Then, carefully twist and remove the bulb holder from its housing. Take out the old bulb and insert the new one, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reattach the electrical connector firmly. If you are replacing the entire assembly, simply unbolt the old unit and install the new one. Finally, carefully push the trim panel back into place and secure all the screws or clips you removed earlier. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light. Make sure it illuminates properly and that all other lights, like the brake and turn signals, are functioning correctly. This ensures your repair is complete and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.